I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury the Magic Concealer in shade 2. So I'm just going to use this big concealer brush. I'm not sure what that one is. Crown brushes. And I'm just going to take that. I love this concealer. It's so nice. It's so lightweight. It doesn't... I've used the NARS a few times. I do like the creamy concealer. But I do find it's quite heavy under the eye area, so I think it's, yeah, don't use too much of it, it's okay. But if you use too much, it can feel quite heavy, whereas this is so lightweight and you don't need much at all. Take it into the inner corner and even up here a little bit, just lighten that a wee bit. And at the side of my nose. Now I'm going to use this. This is the spotlight. Now there's lots of, I don't need to even open it or take anything out of it. There's loads of product on it. So I'm just going to take that brush. I must have left it open at some point and it's done that. I'm going to have to put some on my hand. Oh, such a waste. See that? How lovely is that? That is really the highlight, isn't it? That is what I would call a highlight. Same on that side. Bit more. Don't want to waste it. Above my lip as well. See that? Just gives you that lovely, just there. Just see that, how lovely is that? Take it up there as well, and then just blend it out with my finger. Yeah, I must have left it open at some point and it's all spilt out. But I don't want to clean it up totally and then not use it. I'd rather use it. How's that? See that? Lovely, isn't it?